Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by cutting power and letting components fully discharge. This clears transient faults. Once done, check the power brick LED and cable seating because loose connections mimic shutdowns. Make sure to remove dust from vents and the fan with short bursts of compressed air. Airflow problems cause thermal shutdowns. If the brick is warm or has no light, note that for replacement. These steps eliminate simple electrical and cooling causes before you open the console. Next, you open the case carefully, keeping screws sorted and grounded to avoid static damage. You should remove the heatsink and inspect old thermal paste. Replace it with a thin, even layer to restore heat transfer, because dried paste causes hot spots. Replace any collapsed thermal pads and clean fan bearings so the fan spins freely. Reseat power and board connectors, then test the console without the hard drive to isolate load-related shutdowns. This helps identify whether storage or heat triggers the cutout. To finish, you run a controlled stress test by playing for 15 to 30 minutes while monitoring temperatures. Use an infrared thermometer or feel the vents to confirm stable cooling. If the console still shuts down, swap the power brick and try a different outlet or UPS to rule out supply faults. Make sure to note error patterns and times. Troubleshooting tip. If shutdowns continue after thermal and PSU checks, intermittent board faults or bad capacitors are likely and require professional board-level repair.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.